eggs over here? There's an egg. Can you put it in the basket? Good job. Is there another one? Can you get it? Oh, cool. You find one? Yay! Is there another one? Can you get it? Oh, goodness. Do you see another one over there? Can you go get it? Yeah. In the tree? Can you get it? Good job. There's some more. Under the deer. Kind of looks like a deer dropping. Yeah, that's his foot. Do you see any more? I see two more. Come over here. Eli, come here. Go by the front of the deer. Come over by his head. There's another one. Is there one by the tree over here? Over here, Bubba. Can you get it? Right on. Where's some more eggs? Is there any over by Jasmine? Is there some over by Jasmine? Should we go look? Is there any by the big ball? Is there an egg? Here by this tree. You see it? Oh, did it break open? Oh. Hold on, folks. We found something in the egg. Well, hold on. We got to get this other egg. Eli, can you get that egg too? Hey, is there another egg? There's another egg? Did we find all of them?